What's going on, guys? Crypto Renegade here, and in today's video I'm going to talk about how to buy Bitcoin with Apple Pay in 2021. But before I jump into the content, I just completely revamped my website, bitcoinlockup.com. As you can see on the screen here, there is some really exciting stuff coming in the next few weeks, and you can always preview my newest videos there before they hit YouTube or any other platform. There will also be some bonus exclusive content coming that will not be made available anywhere else. Let's get into it. All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you're new here, check it out and subscribe. And if you want to know how to buy Bitcoin using Apple Pay, then you're definitely in the right place. Because in today's video, I'm going to take you through the 3 best ways to purchase Bitcoin through the safe and easy Apple Pay payment gateway. Now, in full disclosure, there are pros and there are cons when you're buying Bitcoin specifically via Apple Pay. First of all, pro, it is the easiest way to buy crypto by using Touch ID or Face ID on your mobile phone or computer. And the con is it's not really the cheapest way to buy Bitcoin out there. See my video at the end of this video, and I'll link it above as well if you want to know the cheapest way to buy Bitcoin and a full playlist for other platforms. So what is Apple Pay? If you use an iPhone or any other iOS device or a Touch ID based device made by Apple, you're probably familiar with this payment method or gateway. Launched in 2014, it is becoming very popular payment method for making purchases and sending money to friends and family instantly and seamlessly. And it works on almost every Apple product, including all the iPhones, Apple Watches, iPad, Mac, and so on. So if you're an Apple user, then good news for you. Buying Bitcoin and investing in crypto has gotten much easier since many popular exchanges started the sale of crypto to their users with Apple Wallet. Now, wondering how? We'll get into that in just 1 minute. But first, let's discuss why it is important that crypto can now be bought and sold using Apple Pay. Let's take a quick look. For starters, when it comes to most of these exchanges, users who have a Visa or MasterCard issued card will automatically be prompted to the Apple Pay gateway as long as their card is linked correctly in the Apple Wallet. Now, why is this integration important? Integration is critical for the average Joe since it lessens the friction and lessens the hassle of moving payments through non-traditional channels. Now, this is a method of withdrawing funds that consumers are already accustomed to, rather than creating a separate hardware wallet, which I do recommend on a separate issue, but for purchasing, this actually marks a milestone in the acceptance of cryptocurrency in the mainstream chain of finance, because you can easily interpret it as an indirect nod or seal of approval from Apple, so to speak. More on that later. So are they dipping their toes into the crypto market? Yes. Is that going to cause a major ripples in the market? You betcha. So without further ado, let's get into the best ways you can buy Bitcoin or other crypto using Apple Pay. Let's go. Number 1 is Shapeshift Mobile. Now, there are many ways that you can buy crypto using Apple Pay, but this is the number 1 option that I personally have used, and crypto buyers swear by it as well. Shapeshift does not require a username or a password or an email address for registration. Instead, the software allows users to choose the payee address and the digital crypto they want to send. Examples include obviously Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Ripple XRP, Dash, NXT, and several more that it now supports. It also connects with Purse.io, allowing you to make Amazon purchases. My link for a free $15 in Bitcoin is in the description below if you want to try Purse and pay for items on Amazon via crypto, which I've personally done several times. Now, for those who haven't heard of Shapeshift before, it is a trading cryptocurrency exchange website that was launched in 2014 by the very popular Eric Voorhees. By converting Shapeshift into a vending machine, as he called it at the time, that anybody could use, he hoped to make the process of obtaining cryptos and swapping cryptos like Bitcoin as simple as possible. More recently, Shapeshift has made its transition into a DAO, which is a decentralized autonomous organization that is voted on and governance, which is managed by the community itself. No longer just Eric Voorhees is in charge, which is very interesting. So if you want to know how to use Apple Pay to buy Bitcoin fast and easy, follow these quick and easy steps with me. Step number 1, download the Shapeshift app on your iPhone or Android and log on to the platform, or you could do it on your desktop. Step 2 is log in with your existing ID and password or register with an email ID as a new user. Step 3, click on Buy Crypto Now, and it should provide you with an option to use either GEM or Banksa, and these are to accommodate most currencies around the world and reach a wider audience. Step 4, now you have to enter in the exact amount of money that you're willing to buy Bitcoin for, and it will provide you with several purchase options and spreads in 15 different global currencies, including USD. Step 5, once you have put it in your desired amount that you want to buy, all you have to do is change the payment option from debit or credit card and choose Apple Pay. And then of course, step 6, confirm your payment by following the instructions, and voila, you're done. That's how easy it really is. You should see your Bitcoin in your Shapeshift wallet or other wallet address that you designate in 10 minutes or less. Number 2 option is called Coinmama. Now, as my viewers, you know that Coinmama is one of my go-to exchanges for buying and selling crypto. However, it is a little bit more expensive with fees. It started in 2013 and it's now available in 188 countries. And this was the first exchange to enable users to buy Bitcoin using credit cards. And recently they have started accepting Apple Pay as well. So follow my lead here to know how to do it in these easy steps. On Coinmama, step 1, make sure that you got your crypto wallet with you. If you don't have one, check out my video right here in the top right corner on the best free crypto wallets. Step 2, select the amount of Bitcoin you want to purchase or invest in on the homepage of Coinmama. Step number 3, click on Buy, very simple. And then step 4, now you need to fill out the details here and confirm your KYC with a valid photo ID, which Coinmama usually takes about an hour or 2 to verify, and then you're golden. And then step 5, once you're verified, you enter in your Bitcoin wallet address into the form. And step 6, when you're done, select Apple Pay as your purchase method. All that remains now is to complete the purchase and authorize it either with your Touch ID or your Face ID. Number 3 is going to be Paxful. Now, if you're new to Bitcoin and just want to test the waters before making that big leap into it, see how it works for your portfolio, I will suggest using Paxful to purchase small amounts. Why? Because there are no buying fees. It's a peer-to-peer crypto exchange that was founded in 2015. Paxful connects Bitcoin and other crypto buyers and sellers using a marketplace of a variety of different payment options that also include Apple Pay. It doesn't charge any fees for crypto purchases or markups, but the seller may demand a significant premium over the current market price depending on your geographical location, the price of Bitcoin, and maybe some other factors. And just a little bit of crypto renegade warning, it's also worth mentioning that like with any peer-to-peer services, it's critical to assess the individual seller's credibility or reviews, not just the platforms directly. Now, let's see how you can buy Bitcoin on Paxful using Apple Pay. Step number 1, first, you need to create an account and verify your details. Step number 2, select Apple Pay as your option for payment. Step 3, choose the currency of your preferred exchange rate, whether it's USD or INR or GBP, doesn't matter. Step 4, now search for offers and look for one that suits your exact needs and select it. Step 5, enter the amount you want to purchase and follow the instructions to make the payment via Apple Pay and authorize it. It will come as a suggested option in the exchange. Step 6, once you have made the payment, don't forget to mark the transaction as paid. And step number 7, after the payment is confirmed, the seller will release the Bitcoins to your Paxful wallet. Now, I'm gonna give you 2 other options just in case, some other special mentions, which would be Exodus and Coinbase. Now, in addition to these options, you can also check out Exodus and Coinbase as alternative ways to buy Bitcoin using Apple Pay specifically. Now, I personally don't like the KYC and the barriers to entry with those 2 providers personally, and I avoid using them for purchasing crypto directly. But I wanted you to know that these are still technically Apple Pay options and let you choose for yourself. Now, Exodus is a really user-friendly wallet which supports Apple Pay on the recent upgrade of their iOS app. But in fair warning, this option does come with a limit of $250. With Exodus, you can buy Bitcoin with fiat currency from 40 different countries over the entire world. Coinbase, of course, is another popular and we'll say well-liked Bitcoin exchange that gives you the ability to send and request Bitcoin instantly, monitor Bitcoin prices, review balances, and create passcodes, 2FA, and so on for additional security. And it was the first exchange to start accepting Apple Pay as a mode of payment to buy crypto. So these were a few ways you could buy Bitcoin in 2021 using Apple Pay specifically. Now, suffice it to say that it's now easy as pie with these big corporations finally riding the Bitcoin wave and enabling more and more people to join the global blockchain revolution. And then go ahead and let me know in the comments below if you found this video helpful, and also if there are any other wallets that accept Apple Pay to purchase Bitcoin directly, or any other cryptos for that matter. And then don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you also want to know some alternative ways to buy cheap Bitcoin or cheap altcoins on invitee.io, then go ahead and click right here in the top right corner of the screen, and I have a video for you there. And I will meet you in that video now. Crypto Renegade out.